Step 1. Access the listing editor. Log into your Occasion workspace and click on Listings on the left sidebar menu. Next, click on My Templates, then click Create New Listing under Birthday Party Listing Template. 2. Enter basic party information. Give your skating rink, birthday party or catchy name, like Ice Skating Birthday Party Spectacular or Skate and Celebrate Birthday Bash. In the description, highlight the fun of skating such as glide, spin, and party on ice. Step 3. Add images to your listing. Click on the Images tab and upload up to 5 high-quality images showcasing your rink and skating activities, like kids skating, birthday celebration, or themed party setups. Step 4. Set party time slots. Go to the time slots tab and add your available party times. Choose dates that work for your rink, like weekends or specific weekday afternoons. Step 5. Set maximum guest capacity. In the Availability tab, set how many guests your rink can accommodate. For example, if you can host 25 guests, enter that number. Step 6. Build your party roster. Go to the People tab to collect guest information like names, dietary restrictions or allergies. You can select first name, last name, phone number, age or allergies. When you're done, click Save Attendee Information. And there you have it. You've successfully created a birthday party listing for your skating rink.